Hello students, are you preparing for NEET, JEE or Karnataka CET? Looking for the right guidance to achieve your dream rank? Welcome to the Global Academy, the live coaching classes for the NEET, JEE and Karnataka CET. A single point and a complete solution for a competitive exam preparations, specially designed for the 11th and 12th or PUC first and the second year students, combining both syllabus as well as the entrance exam coaching. Our new batches starting from the 25th March 2026 for the academic year 2026-27. The course fees is 9,999. Now, with a 50% discount, you can enroll for just rupees 4,999 for the entire course. Limited seats are available, so enroll today. Call these numbers for enquiry, and you can also scan QR code for easy payment. Hello students, welcome to the Global Academy. I am Shaikh sir and I am your chemistry educator. So today we will see some MCQs for Karnataka CET on a topic called solutions, particularly for a second year and 12th class students. And I will start with the first. The homogeneous mixture of two or more than a two component is called. Okay. So this is the definition. The homogeneous mixture, it is called as a solution. It is a solution. D is the right answer because that's the definition, and as per the definition, okay, it's a homogeneous mixture of two or more component. So the next solutions are of dash type. Total, how many types are solutions are present? So there are three types of the gas, three types of the liquid, and three types of the solid. Totally the 9. The answer C is the correct. The 9 types of solutions are present. The next, which of the following is not a solution? Which of the following is not a solution? Air, a gold offering. B, C is a smoke. Fourth is the salt solution. The right answer is the C, because the smoke is a aerosol and it is called as colloidal, and these all are solutions. Air is a solution, a gold ring is a solution, salt solution is a solution, whereas the smoke is not, this is important, not a solution. So the answer is C. Next, the question is number 4. An amalgam of a mercury with sodium solvent is. Which is the solvent in the amalgam? Mercury, sodium, amalgam, or none of these? Here the answer is B. The sodium is the solvent, because the mercury is dissolved in the sodium to form sodium amalgam, the amalgam of the sodium, and hence the sodium is a solvent and mercury is a solute. So the answer is the B, and that is a sodium. Okay, we'll go to the next example. That is a question number 5. An example of solution having liquid in gas is. The liquid in gas, and the answer is the A, the moist air. The moisture which is present in the air is called an example of solutions having a liquid in a gas. liquid which is present in the gas. Gas is a solvent here. The liquid is a solute which is present or soluble in the air. Hence, the answer is A, which is called as the moist air. Next, question number 6. Which of the following possess the physical states of the solute and solvent as liquid and solid respectively? So carefully see the question. What they had asked: solute is liquid and the solvent, okay, the solvent is solid. Solute is liquid, the solvent is solid. Just one question we had solved before, okay, third or fourth question, and here the answer is the B, that is called the zinc amalgam, because the zinc is the solvent which is a solid here, and the solute is a liquid which is a mercury, okay. So this is here, and this is this, and here the solute is liquid and that is a mercury, and the solvent is solid which is zinc, and the zinc amalgam is an example of the question, or it is a right answer, that is called as zinc amalgam. Okay, the last one. In vaporization of liquids into air, liquid dissolves into air, hence liquid is. So what is a liquid? This is a same type of, we had solved earlier also the example, and here the answer is B, a solute. The liquid is the solute here. It dissolves in the solvent, air. Vaporization, when the water, it vaporizes and it enter into the air. Air is a solvent and the liquid here acts as a solute. So this is the question number 7. Next is, okay, these are problems. Now 34 grams of the glucose is dissolved in 400 grams of water. What is the percentage by mass of the glucose solution? So here you can see the options. So last video also I just told you that whenever you want to solve such problems, you have to remember 4 things. 1, you have to read the question carefully, and you have to see which values are given to you and which is asked to calculate. That is important. And then see the options. Options are also very important. The third is which the formula we have to use to solve this problem. That is important. And then how fast, how quick we have to solve it. That is important. We will see it, how we can solve it. Now what is given? This is given here, okay. That is 34 grams of glucose which is dissolved in 40 grams of water. Solvent is also given. So therefore the percentage, okay, percentage of glucose which is equal to weight of solute divided by total weight into 100. So this is the weight of the solute is given. It is 34.2 divided by total weight is nothing but weight of the solute and the solvent. It is 34.2 plus 400, because the solvent water is given, into 100. So which is equal to 342. Okay, 3420 divided by 434.2. Now you have to calculate. You have to calculate the answer. Here you have to see the answer. Important is the answer. See the answer: 78.7, 7.8, 87.7, 77. So these are the options as given, and this is this. Now, whenever you have this type of the problems to solve, it is always better to leave this decimal, okay, and take only the round figure. It will be easy, because whenever you take the consider the decimal, that will be, the number will be very large or big. It's better. So we can do it like this. It is a 3 4 20 divided by, okay. i'm sorry I'm sorry. So here it is 3 4 20 divided by 434. Now you can see that it is nearly 500, and 7 7 5s are 35. So it is 7 you will get. So 7 4s are, okay, 28, 2, 21, 23, 28, so 30. So that is 2. So it is 11. 11 means it is sorry, 8. It is 3. Okay. Now you can know that. So this number, what you got is less than this number. Naturally, you have to take the point 0. Now you just see that which is the right answer. 7 point, which is the 7 point, and that is the B. B is the right answer because it is 7.87. There is no need to do the next calculation, because the next definitely it will be 87. So there is no other, no other options are having the 7 point. So only one option which is having is the 7 point, and that is a B. So directly you can go without any hesitation, because there is no need to do all the calculations here. As simple as possible and as fast as possible. So that is the right answer, that is called as the B. We will get the answer which is equal to 7.87%. Now that is the answer. Okay. We'll go to the next question. Question number 9. A solution is prepared by dissolving certain amount of solute in, okay, 400 grams of water. If the percentage by mass of the solute of the solution is this, then the mass of the solute will be. So here the percentage is given and the volume is given. Now we have to find it out, the weight of the solute. So to this question, so percentage, it is a 2.38, which is equal to x upon x plus 400 into 100. The same formula, okay. The percentage of the solute is equal to weight of the solute divided by the total weight into 100. So that is the formula is same. So x is not known, we have to calculate. So cross multiplication. So therefore here we can write the 2.38. Okay, it's a 2.38 into x plus 400, which is equal to 100x. So this is a therefore it is a 2.38x plus, this is a multiplication. If you do, it is 11 1190, you are getting 1190, which is equal to 100x. So therefore 1190, which is equal to 100x minus 2.38x, which is therefore 1190 is equal to This is nothing but you have to minus it, and the minus you are getting is 97.8. 882x. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 1190 upon 97.82. So here also the same. You can see that. So there is a decimal. Leave the decimal and go for the calculation. Calculation you have to do the same way. 1190 97. So here it is 2 za, sorry 1 za, 1 za. It is 1 za. Okay, 1 za 97. 97 means here it is 2, 9 it is 2, and so it is sorry, once again 0, 0 I had taken, so it is 2. Okay, and it is 2 14 or 1 9 2 is 18, 19 you are getting, then whatever that it is 6 you are getting here, and here it is 11 means it is 2, so 12 point. So see the answer, which is the 12 point. A is not that, B is not that, the answer is C. The C is the right answer, which gives 12 point. That is a 12 point it gives. So there is no need to go for 1 and 9 calculation here. Okay, once you come to know that it's a 12 point, 12 points, then definitely you can write it out like the 12 point, it is 19 gram, 19 grams. So this is the question number 9. We have to solve that like this. So little lengthy, you have to make it little short and you can calculate. Okay, the next one is the 10th question. 6 grams of urea was dissolved in 400 grams of water. Okay, the percentage by mass of the urea in the solution is, once again you have to calculate the same percentage. Okay, percentage of urea, percentage of, okay, so urea, which is equal to weight of solute divided by total weight into 100. Weight of the solute 6 grams given, so it is a 6 divided by 400 grams of water, so it is a 6 plus 400 into 100. So this is nothing but 600 divided by, it is 506. So in this question, carefully see that the numerator is greater than the numerator is greater the denominator. So naturally it will be 1 point. The answer A and answer D is not possible. This answer is not possible. This answer is also not possible. So B and C, if you just see that, it's very close to one another. Very close to one another. It is almost near to 1, not to 11 at all. And hence, once again, the answer B is the right answer for this. So that is a 1.186%. There is no need to go for the calculation also here. Okay, directly you can write, because if you just see the values, you will come to know that it is a 1 point small value. Okay, and because of there is only one option which is given, 1.186%, and directly you can go for that without any hesitation. Now that is a question number 10. Now we'll go one more question. Now this is the one more question which is given. What is the mole fraction of the solute in its 2 mole molal aqueous solution? Molal solution, Okay, molality, molal means molality, that is molality. Okay, in the 2 molar solutions. So, like this, how to calculate the mole fraction? What is the mole fraction? What is asked? The mole fraction. How much it is? It is 2 moles. Okay, now we can write like this. So, 2 moles of solute in 1000 grams of solvent. This is according to the definition of molal, molality. Okay, not the molarity. So, first we have to find it out what is called as the weight of solvent. So, the weight of the solvent, we can also say weight or number of moles, also you can say moles of solvent, and that is water, and hence it is 1000 divided by the molar mass. Molar mass of the water is 18. Okay, and that is solvent. Here is bracket, we can write water because it is given dissolved in aqueous solution. Aqueous means water, and for that it is a water, we can write in a bracket, and this value, which is 55.55. 55.55. Now we have to calculate what is called as the mole fraction. Now the mole fraction, by the definition, okay, Na upon Na plus Nb, number of moles of the solute divided by number of moles of solute plus solvent. So this is equal to 2 upon 2 plus 55.55, which is equal to 2 upon 57.5. 57.55. Now once again here you have to find it out the value according to the options. We have to, different options are given, so we have to check it out. Once again here what to do is the numerator is very small compared to the denominator. It's better to leave the decimals, okay, decimals, and only take the full number. So it is 2 divided by 57. Now first 0 point, when you put a 1 point you take 1 0. Your once again 20 is smaller than the 57, so one more the 0 you have to put, and that is now you just see that 57, okay, and 12 is, it is 3 is a, okay. This is a 9, this is a 2 0. Now you can see that 0.03, there is no need to do the next questions, there is no need to do the next one. You can see that is one is a 0.07, this is a 0.04, and this is a 0.03. So the answer A is the right answer. There is no need to do the next calculations. This is a common sense, we have to use it so that we can do it very fast. Otherwise lot of time you will take and you will waste the time in the calculation. So if you do one, immediately you can go for the option, see the option carefully, and you can take the answer. That will be 100% correct options. So this is the question number 11. Now this is the 12th question. What is the mole fraction of HCl in aqueous solution of HCl containing 24.8% of HCl by mass? Hydrogen and the chlorine, the atomic mass has given, and this question is homework. It is a homework questions. It is a homework for you, and please answer, solve the question, and comment your answer. Let's see how many of you are doing the right answer. Okay, similarly, we will solve some more the questions, the MCQs on the next topic.